Well, hello everybody. It's Friday, August 7th. It is 12:45 going into the afternoon in Tokyo, quarter to 4 in the morning, London time. Sorry, it's been a few days since I posted anything. Excuse me. I've been a little more preoccupied with trying to get the live trade room up and going. We've gone 3 days now. Last night actually was a really good night. I just want to thank Martin. Martin's a trader from Switzerland, and he's a professional trader. He also manages he manages some clients' accounts, so he does Forex managed accounts. And he just saw some of the postings that I had made on other websites, and we have very similar trading styles, so it was kind of nice. He got on. I turned on the mic with him last night, and we just went back and forth comparing notes on the methods that we use, support and breaks of support and resistance levels, and trend breaks, and what we're using now, what we find that works. And he went into detailed depth about his money management and trade exits, trade entries, and it was really great just to compare notes, because honestly I don't really know anybody that trades Forex. I don't know if any of you do. I know it's very popular right now, but personally I don't know anybody, firsthand that I, hang out with or can talk about on a regular basis. Talk about Forex trading, and that's one of the reasons why I think I started this, is because I just wanted to talk about Forex with people. And this is kind of my outlet to do so. So anyway, I just want to thank Martin again. Martin is going on holiday for the weekend, but he's going to hopefully be back on Tuesday. I might even open the trade room on Monday. That's why I put this up here. This is, the front page of the website. I moved this to the top of the page so everyone can see it. Again, guys, if Bloomberg, you don't want to watch it. I watch Bloomberg constantly, but down below, let me scroll this up so you can see Bloomberg. There we go. Just hit stop, or if you don't want to listen at the time, you can just hit the mute button right there. And so, if you ever need to mute it. But I just have it on there because I think it's a great tool to keep me up to date on everything that's going on, because as soon as anything happens, they talk about it, and they bring a lot of professional Forex traders, bankers, fund managers, and whatnot, and to give their perspective on the currencies. So anyway, it's a good tool to use, but let me get back to this. The live trade room here. This is the widget, or like the little sign-in thing. If you want to reserve a spot, you can just go in here, enter your email, and then I think it prompts you to another screen that will ask you for what name you want to use in the room, and then it asks for a phone number. Now guys, I don't need your phone numbers. I don't know why it asks for a phone number. I've tried to take it off. I haven't figured it out yet. But just go ahead and put in 10 generic digits like I did here, 555-444-2222. Just make something up. You don't have to give me your phone number, because like I said, I don't use your information. I don't take your emails and sell them or anything. That's just the way they use this platform, uses a sign-in. So, but the nice thing about the email is, as soon as I start the room, it'll send you a email letting you know that the room is now open. So then you can file over to the room whenever you need to, and it gives you a direct link just to click you right into the room. If for any reason this isn't working properly, you can always just go right here and click here, and that will take you to the page to enter the room. So when we are live, it has a little yellow symbol right here that says live. So when you see that live symbol, you can just click here and go right to the room directly and sign in directly. So just whenever you see a live here, because there might be times where I might get on during Tokyo. I'm planning on doing Tokyo, and for the noobs or the newbies, new traders, it's might be a good time to answer questions and or ask questions, and I'll do whatever I can to help you out. Like I said, I just enjoy talking about this stuff. So whatever I can do to help. Okay, so yeah, the trade room is open. Please utilize it. It's just I think it's just a good way for, besides posting on bulletin boards, it's just nice to be able to chat with people. So, try it out whenever you get a chance. Anyway, nothing really setting up right now. Let me move this here. Just looking at the pound yen. Last night in the room, I was watching this break line right here, this 61.59 area. This candle had come up and hit it and sat there for a while. And I was watching for a break. Let me move this a little bit here. I was watching for a break of this 61.59, but I was also concerned that it would even make it past the top of these candles here. But this broke, and you can see how it kind of just sat there. Well, that's how it ended up closing, but it did just sit there after the break for a little while. I entered, and then of course it dropped down a little bit, but I was keeping an eye on it. I hadn't set a stop yet. I was just waiting to close it manually if I had to, just depending on what the price action was doing. And then it finally did make a break up, so this candle moved over here, started here, and then made a move up. And, it was up about 35 pips at one point, and I just thought it would at least push to meet the top of this candle, which is at 6,200, or 162, excuse me. So I was just waiting for that. Never happened, and I was busy with the chat, and the next thing I knew it was back down here. And then it was bouncing around a little bit, but price action looked like it was going to fall back down, so I ended up closing out near break even. I ended up closing out with plus 2 pips. So I made a whopping 2 pips on that trade, and then it fell down. And then this is the London Open here. No, wait, excuse me. Yeah, this was the London Open here, and I was just hesitant to take it again. I don't know why, I just had a feeling it wasn't going to cooperate, but it did. It ended up moving about 80 pips, so I missed that. But this was, more conversation in the chat room, so I was concentrating more on that than I should have been on my trading. But that's what happened on the pound yen. And the first night in the trade room, just to go back, I was watching for a break of this 160.95 line, and was watching for a break of this candle especially, and it happened. So I got in here. I got in at 82. And wrote it down this far, and then it started to come back up. It came down to here, and then it bounced back up to here. I didn't want to give the pips back, so I ended up closing half for 60 pips, and then it kept continuing going back up, so I just closed it out with another 48 pips. So I got 60 and 48 on that move there. Now, when I was talking about it, I don't give the trades. I don't tell you to sell now, buy now. I give you the level. I tell you what I'm looking for. I let you use your own. I want you guys to learn how to study the price action and get a feel for it, and get a feel for when you're going to enter and exit. Because it's all about learning how to trade on your own. So anyway, guys, I'm coming up to the 10-minute mark for the YouTube post. So I apologize for being a little tardy and not being around for a while. But come check out the live trade room. It's on the website. And like I said, when it says live, just go ahead and click where it says click here. It'll take you right to the sign-in page and let you into the room. I actually bumped it up to 50 people, so there's room for 50 people in the room now, rather than just 20. So feel free to stop in, guys. I hope to see you in the room. And guys, non-farms tomorrow. So if you got any open trades around non-farm, just beware. Okay? You guys take care. Talk to you later.